A quick shot of the GT780DXR. This is the RAID screen. Looks like basically the RAID failed. Well, mainly because there was no OS installed on the SSD drive, which is device 0. You have to make sure that the SSD is port 0, because that's the first one. And that's the one for the OS, the master one. After formatting 55.8 gigabytes non-RAID disk, and then the Western Digital is still a RAID disk, so we'll convert that to a non-RAID disk, and then we'll get this thing up and running. But yeah, just a quick look. GT780DXR, THX certified, graphics by NVIDIA.